Let us talk about American portion sizes. They are absolutely ridiculous. We eat until we are stuffed, uncomfortable, and unbuttoning our pants at the table. We consume everything in front of us because I paid for it. Meanwhile, we are spending a fortune on food, feeling terrible, and creating health problems that cost even more money. It is expensive in so many ways. The people of Okinawa, who happen to be the longest-lived people on Earth, have a practice called Hara Hachi Bu. It means eat until you are 80% full. You stop before you are completely stuffed, just comfortably satisfied, not still hungry, and not uncomfortably full, just enough. Science backs this up completely. Eating to 80% naturally reduces your food costs by 20%. Better health means lower medical bills down the road. Less consumption means less spending overall, and living longer means you compound your wealth for more years. It is a financial win across the entire board. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can apply this 80% rule to everything, not just food. You do not need 100% of your wants satisfied. 80% satisfaction equals 100% enough. And that 20% gap between what you want and what you actually need, that is where wealth lives. Financial Harahachi Bu looks like this. Do not spend your entire paycheck. Leave 20% untouched. Live on 80% and save 20%. It creates automatic wealth building without ever feeling deprived. You are still satisfying most of your wants. You are just not chasing that last 20%, which costs the most and delivers the least. Here's your action plan. Practice the 80% rule everywhere. Eat smaller portions and boom, you just saved 20% on food costs. Spend a maximum of 80% of your income. Buy 80% of what you think you need, and you will realize the other 20% was just wants disguised as needs. Stop at 80% satisfied and fight the urge to hit 100%. That 20% gap compounds fast. A food budget of $500 monthly becomes $400, saving you $1,200 yearly. An income of $50,000 means you live on $40,000 and save $10,000 yearly. Resist 20% of your purchases and you save thousands more every single year. Add it all up. I know a guy who ate out until he was completely stuffed at every meal. He felt terrible and spent $800 monthly. He started Harahachi Bu, stopped at 80% full, ordered less food, sold better physically, and his restaurant bill dropped to $500 monthly. He saved $3,600 yearly just from eating less. Plus, he lost 30 pounds. His medical costs dropped by $2,000 annually, and he had more energy, which got him a promotion. One single habit created multiple compounding benefits. Enough is truly enough. The last 20% costs the most and delivers the least. Stop at 80% on everything, and that gap is where wealth, health, and happiness actually live. It sounds simple, but the hardest part is what is about to be told next, because consuming less creates wealth. But what about maintaining what you already have? That is the next level most people never reach. Number 7. Gaman. Endurance and self-discipline.